have the vibrant fintech ecosystem, which we see over here present today. The foundation of DPI has allowed these fintechs to set up quickly and to scale rapidly and deliver targeted solutions to not only address current but also future challenges. Today, India is home to 10,000 plus fintechs, more than 40 billion US dollars of investments over the last decade, phenomenal growth in this sector, and the future potential, again, is underpinned by several strengths that this sector has. One and foremost is the large and the deep pool of skilled technology talent that we have in our country. Second, a very vibrant financial ecosystem spanning payments, lending, insurance, pensions, wealth management, which is supporting this fintech innovation. And three, enabling policies of the government and the regulatory frameworks which are facilitating the fintechs. The Reserve Bank has been continuously engaging with the fintech ecosystem. We have been proactive, as is borne out by some 500 interactions, more than one a day, which we did last year. In addition, through structured platforms like FinTeract and FinInquiry, we regularly interact with the innovators and entrepreneurs. This demonstrates our commitment, our belief in the fintech industry. Some 15 structured sessions with more than 1,100 fintech representatives under FinTeract since it was initiated in March 2024, and more than 14 open interactions with more than 600 participants under FinInquiry have been held. We also have now a repository, a fintech repository, to collect key information on activities, products, and technologies aimed at enabling informed policy measures for the fintechs.